Hi all, quick unboxing to MacBook Air. This one has 500GB hard disk and also 16GB RAM. It has M1 chip, and let's see how it comes. Wow, it's such a nice instrument. This laptop is very nice indeed. So what we have in the box, there is a nylon case for this one. Wow, look how it looks, very tiny indeed. Also in the box some other things that I want to see what we have. So we have probably a warranty or something like this, the charging cable and the charger. Looks like regular iPhone charger. Strange. It has a long cable for the charging. It is 6 and it is type C to type C. Okay, is there anything else? No. So that's all. You pay so much and you get so a little thing. Okay, it looks very nice indeed. Let's open. To see, there is, wow, a nice sound, screen protect, and it start all the setup process probably. And that's all for now. Thank you and bye.